back to new video. In today's video we are going to learn about linear equations with one variable, how to solve these linear equations, and how to solve a linear equation with two variables. Okay, so firstly we are going to learn linear equation with one variable. In this consider this equation 3x plus 5y minus 2. Here variable is 1, so 3x plus 5 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so how we will solve this? This is a number, we will shift this number to that side. 3x is equal to, when we shift a number towards another side of the equal sign, then the sign convention of the number change, so that will be minus 2 minus 5. So 3x equals minus 7, right? Minus minus plus, so it will be minus 7. Addition of the number, but sign will be a minus sign, so it will be again now x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So the value of x is minus 7 by 3. Okay, this is how we have to solve a linear equation with just one variable. Just we have to see which are the two numbers, then we have to take the numbers to one side and the variable to other side of the equal sign, and then we have to solve this. Okay, so next further we will learn about linear equation with two variables. Okay, how to solve this linear equation with two variables? Okay, so the linear equation with two variables can be solved by two methods. First one is by substitution, and then another is by elimination. Okay, elimination. Okay, so first we will see substitution method. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We have two equations, so we will take this equation and first we will try a substitution method. How to do a substitution method? Okay, what we will do, we will keep one variable at the right hand side of the equal sign, and we will keep one variable at the left hand side of the equal to sign of equation number 1, and then we will solve. We have to express the equation in a single term. For example, x equals 10 plus 3y. Okay, so as we have taken the taken a term to that side of the variable, that side of the equal to sign, so it will be plus 3y. Okay, so further x is equal to 10 plus 3y. So this is equation number 1, this is 2. So what we will do, we will put this value of x in equation number 2. Okay, so this is what we call a substitution method. We are substituting this value of x over here. So then this will be 10 plus 3y plus 2y is equal to 5. Okay, so we will solve this equation and then we will get value of y. So this will be 20 plus 26y plus 2y equals 5. Okay, we will keep variable at one side and we will keep numbers on one side. So this will be 6 plus 2 will be 8y, and this will be 5 minus 20. So 8y is equal to 5 minus 20 is minus 15. Then y equals minus 15 by 8. So this is what we have got the value of y. Okay, now we will substitute this value of y in this equation, then we will get the value of x. So your x will be x equals 10 plus 3. Now we have got the value of y. We will substitute this as 15 by 8, and then we will just solve this equation. It will be x plus x equals x equals 10 plus 15 into 3 is 45, so this will be minus 45 by 8. Okay, so this is the value of x. You can solve this fraction and then you can just simplify further also. Okay, so now further we will learn next method, that is elimination method. Okay, I will just write over here. Right over here, elimination. Okay, so what is elimination? You know, basic term, elimination means eliminating something. Okay, so in this method we will eliminate a term instead of substituting a term. Okay, we have our two equation, that is x minus 3y is equals 10 and 2x plus 2y equals 5. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, so this is x minus 3y equals 10, 2x plus 2y equals 5. So what we will make, we will eliminate this term or either this term, so that we will left with one variable term and then we can solve for that variable. Okay, so in this to eliminate this elimination method, I will just share you a concept. For example, if 3 minus 5 equals something and 3 plus 5 equals something, then if we add this term, then this like term will get cancelled. Okay, because of opposite sign. A similar rule we will apply here. So what we will do, we will multiply these two over here to make this term 6, and then we will multiply this term by 3 to make this term 6. Okay, so what we will, the new equation we will get 2x minus 6y equals 20, and then another equation will be 6x plus 6y equals 15. Okay, then we will simply add these terms. What we will get, we will eliminate this term minus 6x and plus, we will use this concept minus 5 plus 5 equals 0. So we will just eliminate this term. Okay, right here 0, it will be eliminated, and now this term will be 6x plus 2y equals 8x, and this equals 35, right? So x equals 35 by 8. Okay, so this is what we have got the equation of x. Now we can put x over in any term, and then we have to put the x in the original equation, not the equation we have found by multiplying the numbers. Okay, so we have to put it in, we can put this in equation number 1, and then we can find the value of y. So just we will put 35 by 8 minus 3y equals 10. Okay, so this we will get y, we will get minus 3y equals 10 minus 35 by 8. So minus 3y equals, this will be 80 minus 35 by 8, and then y equals 8t minus 35 by 8 into 3. Okay, so this is what we have got the value of y. We will multiply here by minus 1, then this minus sign will be terminated. Okay, now further we are going to learn a quadratic equation in one variable, how to solve a quadratic equation in one variable. So this is our equation. I will write over here the equation: x square plus 10x plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so So this is the equation x square plus 10x plus 7 equals 0. How to solve this equation? Okay, we have to solve this equation by a method named factorization. Okay, the method to solve this equation is called as factorization. We have to factor this term, middle term, into two different terms so that the addition will be so that the addition will be 10x and the multiplication will be this number. Okay, just we will change this number, we will take this 25. Okay, 25. So x square plus 10x plus 25, I will write here 25. I have to factor out 25 in such a way that the multiplication will be 25 but the addition will be 10. Okay, we have to factor out this term. Okay, so it will be 5 into 5. Okay, so this is, we have to put this sign over here plus 25, and the term and the sign with term 10x we have to put over here. Okay, then it will be plus plus and plus. Okay, so now we will factor this number 10x plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. Okay, now we have this two term and this two term equals 0. Take the common from this term, it will be x into x plus 5. Take common from this term, it will be plus 5. Okay, this will be x plus 5, right? Now we have two terms, x plus 5, x plus 5. I will write this as x plus 5 into x plus 5 equals 0. So this is what we have got factors of x. We will solve this simultaneously for each term equals to 0. So x equals minus 5 or x plus 5 equals 0, then x equals minus 5. So we have got these two values of x. Okay, this is how a quadratic equation can be solved using factorization method, right? So further, now I will explain you some basic terms that are called as formulas that are called as x a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Okay, so this is called as square of a numbers, this is called as a difference of square, and this is called as sum of square. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? This is what we have got a quadratic equation. Okay, then what is the difference of square, or we can say square of difference? So it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is what we have got in our formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, when we while solving quadratic equation, if you see this in this term, then you can directly write this in this term. Okay, if you got an quadratic equation in this format, you can automatically write it as a plus b the whole square, or if you got a plus b the whole square, then you can expand the quadratic equation and then you can solve the quadratic equation using a factorization method. Okay, so this is the two formulas, you have to remember this. Okay, these are two important formula, and then one more important formula is a square minus b square. Okay, so this is square of a number's difference. Its formula is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, when you solve this equation, you get a square minus b square. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, so these are three formulas, you have to remember this. These are the most important formula used while solving a quadratic equation or while solving an algebra. So this this is for today. Okay, bye.